Di ba ang gala? At ngiti ang nararamdaman namin sa tuwing nakikita ka ba from Johnny again. We're always welcome here at Mark and RJ's birthday celebration. And yes, all our kids, come on! We now again sit down here in our colored chairs sa ating harapan. And best friend Jollibee, pengi daw nung Sunday. Pengi daw. Bawal daw siya masasabi. And best friend Jollibee, of course, hanapin mo nga si RJ and RK, best friend. Nasaan si RK and RJ? Sige, RK. Nasaan si RK? Nakapula yun. Hindi yan si RK. Hindi pa si RK. 1 year old pa lang si RK. Sige, hawak-hawak siya ni mommy. Alam ko eh. Okay, nasaan? Best friend Jollibee. Hanapin mo nga. Ayan. Ayan, best friend. Saktong-sakto. Birthday din na ngayon. Birthday din na ngayon, best friend Jollibee.
Pula rito.
Yes. Ayan, birthday din ngayon sa... O, diba? Saan na? Nasaan si RK? Hanapin mo si RK. Si RJ, nakita mo na kanina, best friend eh. O, sige, nasaan si RK? And there you go. Here's our birthday boy, RK. Together with RJ. Come on, RJ. Magpakita ka na best friend Jollibee. Yay! And of course, best friend Jollibee, hindi ka naman papayag na wala kang dala-dalang birthday gift for him. For them. What is that? Sige, hanapin mo, best friend Jollibee. Nasaan yung birthday gift mo for RK and RJ? Wala, nasaan? Hindi mo dala-dala, no? Nasaan yung birthday gift mo? Sige, hanapin mo yung birthday gift mo. Saan mo tinago yung gift mo for them? Sige, ayan na, nakita na niya. Hindi. Kulay red yun, best friend, alam ko eh. Color red yun. Na may mukha mo. O sige, best friend, nasaan? Hanapin mo. And yes, that is a birthday gift for RK and RJ. Yay, best friend Jollibee. And ito lang kay RJ, best friend. RJ, there you go. RJ, nasaan na si RJ? RJ! Here, okay. And best friend Jollibee, bukod doon sa mga gift mo for RK and RJ, meron ka pa mga birthday wishes. Meron kang ilan? Meron siyang isa, dalawa, tatlong birthday wishes for RK and RJ. And for our first wish, sana na po si RK and RJ ay lumaki matalino. Yes! And for our second wish, sana po si RK and RJ ay lumaki malakas at malusog. Yan naman pala gusto ni Dr. Jollibee na palagi lamang healthy. Miss RK and RJ. And for our last wish, sana po si RK and RJ ay lumaki jolly like our best friend, Jollibee. Sige nga, best friend Jollibee, bukod sa Jollibee na sa birthday gift mo for RK and RJ, ano pa ang hinanda mo para mas mapasaya natin mga guests? Sige, isipin mo, best friend Jollibee. Isipin mo, best friend Jollibee, what is that? Naisip ko na? What is that, best friend Jollibee? Ano pang gagawin mo? And then yes, together with the smart mo, Jollibee, malalang frase ay mahinda po kami guys na prepare sa inyo mga lahat. And to everyone, gusto nyo bang makitang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? Parang mahina, best friend again, gusto nyo bang makitang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? And yes, once again, together with you, Ethan, to the car, we have the dance number together for you to watch.
Tago raw siya.
And yes, hindi sasayaw si best friend Jollibee na walang malakas na palakpak. this moment, I request everybody to stand. Please, tayo po tayo lahat. At sabay-sabay po natin kakantahan si Arkin and RJ ng Jolly Birthday Song. Once again, sila mommy and daddy, dito po tayo sa ating center. And yeah, so everyone, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng Johnny Birthday Song si Arkin, Chargy. Everybody will sing. Johnny birthday to you, Johnny birthday to you, Johnny birthday, Johnny birthday, Johnny birthday to you. And yes, to mommy and daddy, with this very special moment, hindi po pwedeng mawala birthday wishes si mommy and daddy for Arkin and RJ. Sige sir.
Birthday wish ko sa kanila. Maging mabait, kahit na makulit. Sumusunod pa rin sa parents.
Yeah, how about you po, Matt?
Ayun, syempre po, unang-una, syempre kalusugan, malayo po sa lumaki po sa na mabuting bata, syempre isagay po siya.
Yay! Palakpakan naman po natin sila mommy and daddy. Talaga naman kita-kita basa binibigyan nila for Arkin and RJ. Of course, mommy and daddy, all of the goodness of the Lord, all of your goodness, all of your wishes will always be come true. And of course, palakpakan naman po natin sila mommy and daddy. And yes, at this point, gusto ko naman po yung mas malakas at mas masiglang Jolly Birthday sa everybody! Jolly Birthday, Jolly Birthday! Jolly Birthday, Jolly Birthday, Jolly Birthday! Jolly Birthday, Jolly Birthday! Jolly Birthday! Jolly Birthday! Jolly birthday, Arkin and RJ Luminao. Blow your candle. Again, happy Jolly, yes, birthday here at Jolly Viva Lalas Krasi. Yay! And at this moment, Gus and Dorothy, magkakaroon kayo ng photo opportunity together with Mommy, Dad, Arkin and RJ.